I-Financial and Fiscal Commission beyikhuluma neParlamente namhlanje mayelana nomthethomlingwa wokukhupha imali ngesikhwameni sombuso kuye nomthetho wokuhlangula u-Eskom esikuleteni sakhe. Imali kahulumende yokuhlangula iinkampani ezilawulwa mbuso kulindeleke ukuthi ikhuphukele ku-396 billion rands kilo mnyaka wemali.
Government's guarantee, on the other hand, government guarantee exposure will increase by approximately 800 million to reach 396.1 billion.
Indaba kuhle katelela urhulumende ukuthi aboleke imali yindaba yomraro wegezi ngombana usuke ku-298 billion rands ngo-2021 wayokuhlala ku-337 billion rands okutsho ukuthi ukhuphuke ngamaphesenti ama-85. I-FFC ithi iinkampani ezilawulwa mbuso ezingasebenzi kuhle kufanele zihlaliswe ngobutsha, zithengiswe nofana zivalwe unomphela. Ikomitjhini le ithi ukuhlangulwa kwamabhizinisi la angeze kwasiza ukurarula umraro we-Eskom.
The Commission therefore recommends improving corporate and fiscal governance through reforms that enable state-owned entities, boards, to have operational autonomy. And also the Commission recommends the establishment of explicit and progressive guidance to SOEs on expected rates of return and the distribution of reinvestment of profits. The Commission also reiterates its recommendation that decisive judgment is made to deliver on return to investment effectively and efficiently.
I-FFC ithi yokwethula umbiko wobujamo bemali nomnotho weenkampani ezilawulwa mbuso eParlamente ekupheleni kwakamrhayili khulukhulu nge-Eskom.